Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I just wanted to give you an update on my planter herb garden. And this is for planter HGC 2023. I had some hits and some misses here, but it was supposed to be 5 herbs. And that's my basil. I got 2 containers of that. And then this is a heirloom seed basil, so I'll see what the difference is and which one I like best in my spaghetti sauce. And my calendullas, I don't know. I've got 2. One came up, but then you see it, died. So we'll have to see about my calendullas. And I have peppermint and spearmint. As you can see, peppermint seems to be all up. Spearmint, not so much. Now the lavender I just planted, so maybe a week ago. There hasn't been any life yet. And my sage, well, it's pathetic. Really pathetic. But oh well. And chamomile. I have never had any good luck with chamomile. I don't know if there's a trick to it, but I have been trying for 3 years to grow chamomile. And like I use different seeds every time. So I have 1. Not so good. And my sweet marjoram. Now it's sort of, yeah. Not the healthiest, and it's like, I don't even know what I would use sweet marjoram for, and my time's up. It's not up very high, but you can see it a little bit there. My time. So there's an update on my herb garden and in planters. So they'll all be upplanted into bigger containers when I know they're gonna live. So there we go. Thanks for watching.